How to fix PS5 controller not connecting to PS5. Let's get started. Are you experiencing issues with your PS5 controller not connecting to your console? Don't worry, I have got you covered. In this video, I will walk you through a step-by-step guide on how to fix this problem and get you back in gaming with no time. So make sure to stick around until the end. First up, let's try resetting the controller. Grab a small object like a paperclip and locate the reset button on the back of our controller. Press and hold the button for 3 to 5 seconds. Once done, plug the controller into your PS5 using the provided USB cable. You should see the controller glowing orange, indicating it's charging. Hold down the PlayStation button to reconnect. If the reset didn't do the trick, let's move on to restarting your PS5. Complete the power of your console by holding down the power button until it's shut down. Unplug it for 5 to 10 seconds, then plug it back in and power it on. Try resyncing the controller once your console is back online. Still no luck? No worries. We will use a keyboard to access the PS5 settings. Navigate to Settings, Accessories and Bluetooth Accessories. Delete the controller from the list of registered accessories. Now let's reconnect the controller. Put it into pairing mode by holding down the button in the top left corner while holding the PlayStation button until it flashes blue. Using the keyboard, select and register the controller again. And there you have it. Hopefully one of these methods helped resolve your PS5 controller connection issue. If it did, don't forget to leave a like and consider subscribing for more helpful tips and guides. Thanks for watching and happy gaming!